Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to turn off outgoing messages sounds on Viber. Maybe you find the sound notifications for outgoing messages to be disruptive or necessary, and you want to turn them off. So today I'm going to show you how to turn off outgoing messages sounds on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on the small icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, tap on Notifications. Here, you will see an option called Outgoing Messages Sounds. By default, this option is turned on, which means that there is a sound every time you send messages. Now, to turn it off, simply tap on this button next to it. Once you do that, the button will be unchecked, indicating that you now have successfully turned off outgoing messages sounds on Viber. Now, you will no longer hear a sound whenever you send messages on Viber. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn off outgoing messages sounds on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn off outgoing messages sounds on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.